Hey there, it's Ray Byers Jr. Today I am out in beautiful Penn Valley, California. We're doing a large ground mount out here. We've got power line for the solar. We've got water, and we also have a spare line in there for the homeowner at a later date if they decide they want to do anything this direction. We got a mine rock here with fines. We also, you'll see, we installed a barrier mat. What that barrier mat's for is not necessarily for weeds, but really so we don't lose gravel. The gravel doesn't just get swallowed up by the dirt, by the soil. Coming back out here to take a look at this solar array, 420 watt REC solar panels. We have 48 of them that are mounted on this beautiful ground mount. Did this larger ground mount at the customer's request, so that way they can bring any equipment that they have in there, store it under here if needed. Look at the underside of this. All the cable management looking great. Got Tigo optimizers, iron ridge rail, large 3-inch pipe. Look how straight that ground mount is. That is just absolutely laser straight. These posts go down into the soil 5 feet. We went 5 feet deep. It's an 18-inch auger bit, and we loaded it full of concrete holding all these in. So this array, super solid. Power coming in from the solar array down to the ground, entrenched over to our main service panel over here. That main service panel has a generator on this side, 2 Solarc 15K inverters that are going to be powering this home. The desire for the client is to go off-grid when they would choose, but still stay interconnected to PG&E. And they wanted it done prior to the 30% federal tax credit expiring. That's due to expire this year. Here we are with our Solarc 15Ks. Nothing here is currently powered. We're still in installation mode of this array. Now, with the Solarcs, you're able to bring battery power in, solar in, we got grid, you can even bring generator power in, and we can set this up to control the generator. We got our primary inverter, secondary inverters, how we'll have that set up. Eventually, the homeowner is going to install 2 batteries. They wanted to go ahead and get the solar array up now and get their batteries in at a later date. That's not a problem. We can accommodate. This structure was already here in place. It held their main service panel.